Okay, are we live? Are we live? Are we live? ولو استنى يا أخي. I think there's a delay. Okay, we're live. We're live. Okay, I'm gonna send. Oh, okay. Shit. I'm gonna send the. How do I do this? Hold up, hold up. Let me send you. I'm gonna open. Nice. Who is Mr. Hani, dog? Okay, guys. I'm gonna. خلاص, I'm gonna unshare. Like, I'm gonna open the display capture, and you're gonna see. Okay. Okay. يلا join guys. Join up. Join up. It's in the chat as well, guys. It's in the chat. YouTube chat. Ah. We got 50 people, guys. Player limit reached. Okay. خلاص, guys. I can't because I'm using the free version. I can't. Okay. I'm gonna start now. Okay, I have a lot of people here, والله. طيب, I'm gonna. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start now. If you couldn't join, if you couldn't make it into the Kahoot, uh, just follow along in the YouTube video, okay? Yeah, let me start. Okay. Okay. In a second. Let's see who got this correct. 13 answers. Okay. In a circuit, 200 millicoulombs of charge flow each 5 seconds. What is the current there's 2 seconds left. 40. 36 people got it correct. Okay, let me see. Type. Who got 36 people got this correct? Who vote, bro? Who put 200, bro? Are you lost? Voila. What's If you didn't know how to do this, okay, they gave you Q, they gave you T, they want you to find the current I. So remember, I is equal to Q divided by T. So it's going to be 200 divided by 5, which is equal to 40. Usually you would convert this back into coulombs, right? But what do they want it in? Milliamperes. So since they want it in milliamperes, you keep it in terms of millicoulombs. Okay, so the answer is 40 milliamperes. Okay, next, guys, next. Okay, Aisha's first. Aisha. Oh. Okay. Yalla, guys. What is happening to the loudness of note? You have to see the picture. You have to check the picture. Already 41 answers. 5 seconds left. Okay. So two people pressed, it remains constant. Let me see. Type. Over here. Oh, no. Okay, what is happening to the loudness? Remember that loudness depends on the amplitude. Okay, as you can see, the amplitude here is decreasing. Okay, so that's why the answer is the loudness is decreasing. Type. Okay, King. Who's King? وانا يونس نادر. I can remove him. Okay. Uh, okay, next. Okay, the resistivity of copper is 1.68 times 10 to the power of negative 8 ohm meter. A sample has length. Okay. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Thank you so much. Who's under Watfa's desk? No one's under my desk, bro. Only 29 people got this. Okay. طيب. Remember that resistance is rho L over A. Okay? So the resistivity is rho, which is 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8. The length is in millimeters, right? We can't have that in millimeters, so we need to convert this to meters, and it's going to be 0.06 meters, right? So it's 0.006 divided by, divided by the area, which is 2 millimeters squared. So it has to be in what? Remember, it has to be in meters squared. So to make this from millimeters to meters, you do times 10 to the power of minus 3. But since it's squared, you need to convert it by 10 to the minus 6. Okay, so 2 times 10 to the minus 6. When you put this all in a calculator, 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8 times 0.06 divided by 2 times 10 to the minus 6, you're gonna get this. But what are they asking it for? In micro ohms. Okay, in micro. So you multiply by how much? 10 to the power of 6. And you're gonna get, oh, why is it 504? Did I forget a zero? 1.68 times 10 to the minus 8. This should be 1, 2, 3, 6 times 10 to the minus. Yeah, I think I put an extra 0. So times 0.006 for the 1, 2, 3, yeah. And then times, sorry, divided by 2 times 10 to the minus 6. Okay, so you multiply by 10 to the power of 6, and you get 50.4. Okay? طيب. Next. Okay, who's on top now? Still Eunice. Okay, I might remove him because this is pretty sketchy. I think this guy has the answers. طب let's read the chat شوي. Happy birthday. Well, thank you so much. Who is under what? I'm telling you, nobody's under my desk. We need more time, bro. Walla. I remember putting 1 minute. Like I don't know why it's like this. Okay, wild. Okay, we need more time. I'm telling you, I put 1 minute. I don't know why the code's like. I think because if everybody, like, if the majority is getting the answer correct, it decreases the time. طيب. Someone's tickling his feet. Okay, no one's tickling my feet, guys. What's wrong with this? طيب. Okay, the electromagnetic force exerted by the magnetic field on the current is directed something. You have to look at the photo. Okay. I actually forgot this answer. I need to take a look at this one again. Okay. So 24 people put downwards, 15 people put upwards. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, am I gonna open my camera for this? Okay, yeah, I guess we will. So remember, no. Let me attach my camera. Hold up. Okay. Video capture device. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let me fix this. Hold on. Okay. Type. You need to know over here. Remember Lenz's law, the induced electromagnetic force. Okay, the induced EMF. The quality. طيب, the induced EMF opposes the force. So if the force here is to the right, remember when you have an induced EMF, it has to go the other force. Okay, and using the FBI rule, force is acting opposite to the right. Here it's to the right. I don't know if in my camera it's inverted, but it's on the right here. But you need to oppose it since it's induced EMF. Okay, so you're gonna point it to the left. The magnetic field is going in. Extend your middle finger and it's gonna go down. Okay, so that's why it's not up. I'm pretty sure the people who put upwards, they kept it to the right, in and then up, right? Don't do that. Remember, if it's induced EMF, you make the force the opposite direction. Okay, that's enough of my camera. Let me take that out here. I got out. Okay. طيب. Oh, why is my... Did I removed my display capture. Hold on. Display capture. Okay, it's back. Moving on to the next question. I don't know if my chat's frozen. I'm getting ads on my own live, bro. What's this? Hold up. Okay, next. Who's first? The lion, bro. Who is the lion? Who... Okay. I just need to read the chat real quick. Okay. Please turn off the cam. Okay, sorry. Who's the special one who put leftwards? Wallah صح, who's the special one who put leftwards? I swear it was just in my What? Okay, why did it shoot? What? Walid Al... Whoa, guys, what? Don't finger the air. Oh, stop fingering the... Okay. Why do you have Eisen in your other Chrome? Walid, I'm from India, marry me. Okay. I'm almost done, keep go... What? Why do you look like a 50? Where does it say induced EMF? When you have a force and a magnetic field, the force and magnetic field will result in an induced EMF. That's how you should know. If they give you force and they give you B, the magnetic field, the I will be induced, okay? It's everywhere. Oh, okay. How would it be if it was out of the page? I don't understand your question. Walid, I like your TV. What year is it from? 2002? Yeah, I think it is from 2002. Can I pet your mustache? Come to Sharjah. Let's move on with our life. What for me and you? Marry me. I'm from India. Astaghfirullah. Are you gonna make another one? No. What for? Okay, don't read the chat. Okay, it didn't say. Okay, let me wrap it up. Okay, the next question, guys. The primary and secondary windings of an ideal transformer connected to a 9-volt supply are 100 and 2400 respectively. What is the voltage of the secondary coil? I gave you time here, okay? I know this one needs calculations. Walid, I showed you to my bloodline. They're all interested in you. What for? Tom Sahur or Crocodilo? Crocodilo? Bro, tung sahur all the way, bro. Wallah. What for leaked? What? No. Can you say? No. Okay. Bro, wallah, what is this chat, bro? Okay. 180. Of course it's 180. If you don't know how to do this, I don't know who's the special boy who put what's it cost? Bro. Okay, guys. To do this, you do NS over NP is equal to V out over Vn. Okay, so it's gonna be 2400 over 120 is equal to V out. We don't know what the secondary coil is. VO over V in, which is 9. You cross multiply and you get the value for V out. Okay. طيب. Wasn't thumb for current, index for magnetic field, and middle for force? Yes, that's if you're doing IBF. But here, when the current is being induced, when you're getting an induced EMF, it's F, B, and then I. What for watch out, or I'm getting in that meeting? Okay. Okay. Paddle Wednesday, inshallah. Okay. Guys, one of my mods need to be active. What is this, bro? Okay. Who's first now? Oh, it's still the lion. It's still the. Walla mods. Walla ban these people. Walla, what's this? Okay. Next question. Next question. Fill in the blank. Okay. You need to look. The current through. Oh shit. Oh my god. I got a donation. I wanna Shaltuni. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Wallah, thank you. You didn't have to, but wallah, you didn't have to. Uh, okay, the current through an ohmic conductor of resistance 30 ohms is 2 amperes. What is the potential difference? Khas, guys, I think this is very straightforward. Ahmad. Wallah, my fan base is so cooked. What's this, يا أخي? يا أخي, look at this chat, يا أخي, look at this chat. Okay, 60. If you got this wrong, wallah, you might fail tomorrow. I'm so sorry. Um, wallah, I wish I could see who got this wrong. But if you have the resistance and you have the current, just do V is equal to Ri, and then press do 30 times 2. Okay? Which you get 60. Okay, first place. It's still the lion. I think this guy's cheating. I have a small feeling. How do you know when to use FBI or the other one? Like I told you, King, you have to, you have, King, you have to, FBI, when you have FBI, you use FBI when you're using a force and you're inside the magnetic field to get a current. You use IBF if you're rotating if there's a current carrying loop inside a magnetic field which produces the force. Okay, so that's how to differentiate between. Okay, next question. Consider a permanent magnet and 2 points around it as shown below. Select the picture with the correct magnetic field. You need to look at all the pictures here. Okay. Okay. I think everybody got this one correct. Who put this? I don't know, but let me show you how. Remember that the magnetic field goes from north to south. So it's gonna go out of the north and into the south, right? So obviously here it's gonna be going to the right and here it's gonna be going to the left. Okay? طيب. Walid, did you try hope? I'm not gonna say that. What for? Be honest, how many? What for? I'm recording your voice. Okay, who's still first? Who is SHB, bro? Who is this? Who is this, bro? Wallah, who's SHB, guys? If you're SHB, please say in the chat, wallah. Okay, next, guys. The diagram below shows the change of temperature upon heating. Select the stages where 2 states exist simultaneously. Okay, this is very easy. I think everybody should be able to. Okay, yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay, I think خلاص. Okay. Walid, why am I leaving next year? I'm probably gonna leave because my family is relocating. Okay. Who is? Whoa, guys! Who are these? Who's getting this wrong, bro? Who is getting this wrong? Where there's 2 states, that means that phase change is occurring, and that is when the temperature remains constant. Oh my god! وانا فاروق وانا thank you so much فاروق والله. Uh, والله يا اخي فاروق, thank you so much. I look appreciate it so much والله. Guys, stop يا اخي. Okay, Allah. Okay, Yahya and Ziyad keep on saying Amir and Iyad. Okay, Does double glazing prevent convection currents? Yes. Walid, do you want to have birthday fun? I already had birthday fun. Walid, please shout out Ahmad al-Din. Okay, shout out to Ahmad al-Din. Am I gonna make another Kahoot? I don't think so. Walid, the way you giggle, oh my god. Okay, Walid, Yunus, marry me. I'm from Pakistan. My dad owns the scam center. Okay. First place is still SHB, huh? Okay. Bro, who's SHB, bro? Who's SHB? طيب, okay. Next question. The amount of heat needed to change a substance of mass from 1 kilogram from solid into liquid. What is this called, guys? Okay, let me read over this. A white tear ran down my leg. Allah يسامحك. Ever heard of a birthday nut cake? No, I haven't. Uh, Yahya says, والله. Okay, what's this? Walid, are you 18 yet? No, I'm not. Ben. Ben Dovers. Super chat $2. Hope this helps with the new crib. Don't worry, bro, it's gonna help. Oh my god. Wallah, what is my fan base, man? Okay, who's first? Is it still? Yeah, it's still SHB, bro. I actually don't know. If you're SHB, please text me. Wallah, I actually want to know who you are. Yeah, I actually might give you the chance next week when I leave. Next year, قصدي. Okay, text me actually. I won't start. I'll wait a good minute. If you're if you're SHB, please text me. I'm waiting. I'm not SHB. Shobaki. Ah, it's Shobaki. Yeah. Maybe Shobaki. He's not watching the live. He's locked in. Wanna. No, I didn't. Sheltuni is telling me it's him. I don't know. Is it Sheltuni? Thank you, Khalid, for the 5 dirhams, bro. Appreciate it, ka. Okay, yalla. Next, guys. Next. Khas, I don't know who SHB is. Shobaki, you sweat. Yarab, he never comes back. On Celsius degree, the ice point is at what? And oh my god, already? Okay, if you don't know this, I think خلاص يعني it's over for you والله. Yeah, okay, everybody got this correct. Let's see. Is it still SHB? Now, okay. Okay. Uh, Nobody has these questions, bro. In order to measure the electric current, something should be connected in something with the bulb. Okay. طيب. This one's straightforward. I think يعني خلاص. Yeah. Voltmeter. Okay, did I trick anyone with this one? No, I did not. Well, I did not. Okay. Okay, SHB still up. Okay. I'm getting text. People are telling me. I got like 54 people telling me they're SHB, bro. Oh, Mbala. There's a guy called Muhammad Shaban that texted me. I think, I think it's him. Is this guy شو محمد قصدي محمود شعبان. Yeah, it's this guy. We found SHB, bro. We found SHB. Yeah, it's him. Okay, Mahmoud Shaban. The diagram below shows the displacement of sodium, the propagation of wave. What is Y? Okay, what is Y? Letter Y. Okay. Um, I think some people here put compression. Yeah, people put compression. X is compression. When they're compressed all together, it's compression. Y is rarefaction. I put the other option, refraction, on purpose to mix you over because they also put it in the exam. Refraction is different than rarefaction. Okay, and my chat is so delayed. My chat is like it's frozen. That's how bad this is. Okay. Okay, guys, like the stream. مو بشي like what's this? Guys, come on. Okay, let's see who's first. Okay, the line is first now. شكله SHB disconnected. مسكين والله. When he went to text me. Okay. Walid, what is the quiz called? What? Okay. Who is Hamas, bro? I'm trying to see. Wallah, I'm trying. Will this OE in the E? What? Okay. There's nothing here. I explained this one. Okay, in a circuit, 1.2 amperes of current flows across 50 volts for 2 minutes. What is the power and what is the energy? Okay, this needs you to focus a bit. Okay. Zaid, thank you so much, wallah. I appreciate it. Wallah, damn. Well, you know how. Oh my god. Yeah, Zaid, why'd you do this, wallah? Thank you so much. Thank you, wallah, Zaid. I appreciate it. طيب. Over here, they gave you the current, they gave you the voltage, and they gave you the time, but in minutes. أول شيء, the power, P is equal to IV. So you simply multiply 50 volts by 1.2 amperes, and you get 60 watts. Okay. However, for the energy, it's equal to power times time. So IV times time, and the time must be in seconds. So 1.2 times 50 times 2 minutes converted to seconds. What do you do? Multiply by 60, and you get 7,200. But pay attention, because in the exam they said kilojoules. So you choose this one. Okay, you make it 7.2. Okay, let's see who's first now. Okay, it's SHB. It's between SHB and King. Okay, 150 dirhams can buy you Mendy for 12 people. Yeah, that's crazy, wallah. 15 مناقيش. Yeah, I know. Watfa, I offer happy ending for 150. What? Okay, Amna, please add me. Omar underscore Harir. How are you this down bad, wallah? Walid, are you a scammer? No, I'm not scamming. Okay. Is this coming copy paste? These are all questions from the term 2 final of last year, which inshallah will come most tomorrow. At least 60% of this will come, and I'm confident. Okay. Next question. You have to choose the correct photo. Okay. It's a matching question. Okay. You need to take a look at this and kind of analyze it شوي. I probably won't make another one, no.
If that goes in, I'm gonna fall.
What for Dubai chocolate toes? I won't. I can't make another one. I'm sorry, because if I make another one, like, you guys are gonna know the answers and whatever. Okay, if 11 people put part A, let's take a look. So obviously, primary coil is the coil through which the alternating current is passed. Okay, it's not the one where the one's induced. Induced is what you get as the product. The final thing you get is what we say as induced. So that's gonna be the secondary coil. So it's gonna be one is obviously C. Let's take a look at the secondary current. The secondary current is the current that is supplied by the transformer, not to the transformer. So 2 will be A. 3, the secondary coil we said is E. 4, the secondary voltage is the EMF that is induced. Anything induced means secondary. So 4B. Okay, and then 5, the primary voltage is the voltage that you're applying, right? So 5 is F. And 6 will obviously be D. Okay? Nice and easy. Can you send the questions after the stream? Yes, of course. Make another one with practice questions that are different. It takes way too long. What for? How do I calculate the RMS grippy level? I don't know. Wally, do you remember me during the Grand Prix? Can you tell me your name? Maybe I might remember you. Chicken Nugget. What for? I'm going to shower if you want to join. No, I already showered. Sorry. Okay, who's first? It's King. Okay, who is King? Who is King? SHB fell off. SHB fell off. There's also the Lion. This guy, the Lion, he's humble, يا أخي. He looks humble. المشكلة his name's the Lion, but he's a tiger, يا أخي, in the photo. I don't understand how that works. No. It's Jamil, it's Jamil. Okay, next question, guys. Nitrogen gas was at 320 Kelvin in 1 atmosphere. It was then heated to 400 Kelvin at a constant volume. What is the new pressure? Am I happy to be moving? No, not really, صراحة. Can you send the term 2 final questions on the group? Yes, I will, don't worry. After the live, I'm gonna send it. During the pit stop, I took a picture with you and Jamil was there. Oh, yeah. Watfa and Marlon need to be nerfed. Am I potty trained? Yes, I am. Okay. Whoever doesn't know how to do this, they kept a constant volume. When volume is constant, that means you use P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2, and you simply substitute the values, and you're gonna get 1.25. Okay. We still have King on top. It's very close between King and the Lion. Very, very close. Walid, what are you gonna spend all your money on? I'm saving up for I don't know what I'm saving up for. Wallah. I'm just saving my money. I want to get a driver's license, يا أخي. These comments are cracking me up, yeah, wallah. Walid, make this chat family friendly. My mom is beside me. Switch rooms, bro. I can't do anything, wallah. Next question. when a north pole of one magnet is brought to the next to a north pole of another magnet, what happens to the magnets? Okay. 35 answers in 5 seconds. Okay, I think this is very, very self explanatory. Um, like poles will obviously repel. Let's see who's first. It is still King. Again, a 13-point difference. It's okay. Walid, should I do top questions for written or the past papers? Definitely past papers. Skip over the tops. Okay, next. Choose the correct answer, okay? What is the total energy per unit charge transformed by the generator to other forms of energy? Yep. What is there going to be a birthday? Okay. No, no. Okay. 8 people said potential difference. How? Remember, they said the total energy that's transformed. The total energy is the EMF. Okay? The potential difference is not. The total energy that's transformed is potential difference. As the electromotive force. وليد say طارق شعبان. Okay. Ain't no party like a what for party. Yeah. Walid, are you gonna join the something? Oh, okay. Why are there so many sweats? Well, I don't know. Okay, let's go next. Okay, who's first? It's still King. SHB is making a comeback, guys. He is on. He's coming up. Where is Yunus Nader? This guy went. He disappeared. Line is still in second place. Okay, choose the correct answer again. A 1 kilowatt iron is on 220 volts with a current of 4.5 amperes passing through it. What is the most suitable current for the fuse to be placed? Will it pass CA or good questions? Do both, bro. Shoo pass CA or good questions. Okay, I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Remember, you're not allowed to choose the current of the wire, because if you choose the fuse to be 4.5, then when you turn it on, the fuse will directly melt and the whole circuit will break. صح? So you have to pick something that is always above the required current by just a bit. Okay, you can't pick 10 or 20 because it's too high. Okay, next. Still, King is still on top with a 12-point difference, 2-point difference. Actually, 2-point difference between him and the lion. Okay. طيب. Next. The magnetic field created by the solenoid at point A is directed where? Okay. What is the magnetic field created by the solenoid at point A? Over here, let me turn on my camera again. When you want, yeah. طيب, you need to the solenoid. When you're working with the solenoid, you're gonna have to adjust your fingers in the sense of the solenoid. Since it's coming out onto me, you're gonna do this with your fingers, okay? Then you extend your thumb, and it's gonna be pointing to the right. So that means your thumb always points in the north. So since my thumb points to the right, that means this is the north. And if this is the north, then this is the south. So how does the magnetic field go? It goes out of the north and towards the south. So at point A, where is it going? It's going out, so to the right. Okay. Let me turn off the. Okay. Video capture. Take this off. Type. Next. Who is first? The line is first now with a 59 point difference. Okay. Okay, let Jad. Okay, what is this? Oh, stop. Walid doesn't make a round of applause when you run. Okay, next, guys, next. Fill in the blank. In an electric current, the sense of current is from the what to the what? Our past CA quizzes? No, don't do quizzes. Don't even see quizzes. Okay. Okay. Who is first? SHB is back up. Okay. We have King and the Lion very close with a 33 point difference.
No.
Shout out to Hamza Al Gohri. Okay, bro. What for? Remember when I found your friend on Siege? Oh, wait, I think I know who you are. Okay, next. Okay, a sample. Okay, what is the quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature of the sample? Let's see. Is past CA exams and past papers and course revision enough? Yes, that's more than enough. For mechanics, I just do grids and past CA. Yeah. No, mechanics. I don't know. Wallah. Will you send the file later? Yes, I will. Let Saleh from Doha take over your channel. He's a 98% average with economics being the reason he's not 100. He's a really talented student. Please consider him to be your channel successor. Okay, let him text me. Walid, can you growl for a dono? No, wallah. My parents both work jobs, bro. They work jobs. What for? Let me take over. My moral was 100. No. Okay, so let's see here. So we have. Okay, this is the first question we have where people have evenly distributed it. So obviously it's not going to be 10.1. So let's take a look here. The quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature is how much? How do we find the quantity of heat? The quantity of heat is Q is equal to MC delta T, right? The mass here is 200 grams. Okay, so can we work in grams? No, we have to make it kilograms. So that is probably the mistake you got if you chose this answer. Okay, next, the specific heat capacity is fine. It should be kept in joules, so 420. And the change in temperature from 80 until 20, you put this in your calculator, 0.2 times 420 times 60, you get 5040. But please pay attention. They're saying kilojoules. So what do? You divide by 1000. Okay, so if you put 5000, you probably didn't divide by 1000. So the answer, if you paid attention to the kilo, would be 5.04. And since they said one decimal place, it's going to be 5.0. Okay, you round it to one decimal place. Okay. Yusuf Mahmoud spelled. Okay, what if I got 0 and more and once can I take over the channel? No. Written counts how much? I don't know, wallah, I'm not sure. What for no sock? Okay, imagine. Okay, what for do you wipe or la? Okay. Oh, Khalid, tender, thank you so much. Next time, please censor the word I don't know what that is, wallah. What will you ever get a okay. والله ماماد يا اخي ماماد what is Mamad doing bro والله Mamad I need to add another mod. Wait, hold up guys. Hold up. Okay. Give me a sec guys. Hold up. I need to give another mod. Settings, permissions. I need to add. Let me get 1 second. Give me 1 minute guys. Bro, Amna, if you're watching Open Snap, bro. My phone. My phone. Mm-hmm. What? No. Okay. I added the mod. طيب. Let me go back. Okay. We are back. طيب. Moving on to the next question. It's gonna take a sec. Okay, next. Okay. Oh, lion went down, bro. I think lion got 4-1 Newcastle. Liar. Ah. Wallah, that's Wallah, that's man. Man. Okay, moving on, moving on. I don't even know what to say about this team. Next, what is happening to the pitch of the note? Okay, so you need to look at the image. Okay, what is happening to the pitch? Okay, it remains constant. Is it decreasing? Is it decreasing? Guys, look at the frequency here. The frequency is constant. It's not changing. For that reason, if frequency is constant, then pitch is constant. Okay? So just take a look at how long each shoe frequency. Wait, isn't pitch is frequency, right? Pitch is frequency, صح? No, no, not period. So it's how high, like if you take a look at the wavelength, since the since the period is constant, then the frequency is constant. That's why it's not changing. Okay. طب 1 second. Okay. Moving on. Ooh. Oh, SHB is back. Oh, okay. Again. Okay. Uh, Next question. Choose the correct option. Make sure that NF stands for no force produced and P stands for force produced. Okay, so take a look here. By the way, special shout out to Shaka known as Shaka, huh? I'm not, don't be too strict, huh? Let some stuff slide. Wallah, this is gonna be, I want it to still be funny, yani. Okay, no force, no force, and there is a force. If it's stationary, no force, right? There's no force. If it's parallel, if they're parallel to each other, then there's no force. If they're perpendicular, they're in contact, so there will be a force produced. Okay? This was not in any of the past TAs, and it was not in any of the past exams, but it came in the final. So please pay attention to this question in case it may come tomorrow. Okay? So no force, no force, and then force produced. Okay? Let's see who's first. It's still SHB. Still SHB. Okay? The line is still second. There is a small gap between line and high. Okay. When a south pole of one magnet is brought next to a north pole of another magnet, what will the magnets do? Okay. Of course, when they're opposite poles, they're gonna attract, huh? And you just so you know. SHB still first. Okay. What? I wish this was your 12th birthday. What do you mean, bro? Okay, next. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna stop removing the messages. Stop. Don't remove too much والله. عادي if they're عيب عادي if they're عيب بس يعني if there's racist stuff remove it, okay? Because I don't want to get banned والله. What for? Will you put this on the file group? Yes, I will. A lion doesn't concern himself. الله يسامحك بس. Nick A30 mods. Wait for mechanics. Will you hit it or no? I love you, Waleed. Thank you. Okay. Okay. This one you seriously have to memorize. Okay, you have to memorize, and this is the answer over here. Memorize. Okay. First is still SHB with a 10-point difference between him and the line. Okay. What should we revise? Grid or course practice? If for physics, then grid. If for mechanics, then course practice. So, guys, we have 8 questions. Okay. What is X? Take a look at the picture. Okay, of course, we said Y earlier was rarefaction. X when the particles are close together in a longitudinal wave, it's compression. Let's see. The line has taken first place, and there is still a small gap between the line and SHB. Okay, moving on. 7 questions left. Choose the correct answer, and you need to look at the photo. So this is, it came previously in an exam. 1 second. Okay, this, it's very controversial. Many people got it wrong. Many people in the first periodic. Okay. Let's take a look at the comments شوي. No, I got it correct. I got it correct. طيب. Well. Okay. So, as the first periodic, to remind you guys, maybe 95% of students put 1.33 atmosphere. And the question was worth 1.5 weight. So, in such an easy periodic, it took you from 100 to 88%. 12 marks. Why? Because of one small word. And it said above atmospheric pressure. They said that the volume, the pressure is constant. So you do what's this? 180 m. Assume that, the volume remains constant. The volume is constant, right? So you're going to do P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. Once you substitute the values, you're going to get that P2 is equal to 1.33 atmosphere. So you might ask me, Walid, why is this wrong? Because they said above atmospheric pressure. So it's above 1. So how much above 1 is 1.33? You subtract that, and you get 0.33 atmosphere. Okay? Please do not make this mistake tomorrow, and I hope you all get it correct. Let's take a look at the comments, right? Bro said controversial. Okay. What for? Can you give me 12 marks? Allah يسامحك. Bestowing tentative authority upon an individual plagued by self-doubt risks undermining both their confidence and the stability of the role itself. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Uh, I wanna don't get me started on Ali Nasser. Ahsin, wallah, watch the comments, huh? Bro, I'm not. It's not that deep. Wallah, those comments aren't that bad. You shouldn't delete those. Any. What? Does it turn into a helicopter? No, bro. No, no. Okay, Jamil is made a comeback. We still have Lion SHB competing for first. طيب. Uh, Next question. Answer the question below. The law stating the induced EMF is to oppose the change of flux. What is that? What for your low-key a PDF but a chill one? How am I a PDF, يا أخي? Okay, 29 people said lens, but 6 people said Faraday's. Faraday's law states that the change of flux and the induced EMF are directly proportional. So once you see directly proportional, that's when you put Faraday's law. But Lenz's law said that they oppose, so that's how you differentiate between the two laws. Okay, again, the leaderboard still remains the same, no change. Okay, let's continue. A current of 2 amperes flows in a 5 ohm resistor for 2.5 minutes. What is the amount of energy dissipated in this resistor? Okay, so okay, most people put 3.0 kilojoules. Energy is equal to power times time, and power is I times V. So I times V times T, and since it's in minutes, you have to make it seconds. So 2.5 times 60. Okay, and my live stream keeps crashing on the side, so I need to be like on the chat. Okay, eating kefta while solving. صحتين, bro. What for? Can you turn on your camera, please? No. What for? You a baddie? I don't know. What for? Look out your window. I looked, man. There's nothing. يا اخوان صلوا على النبي اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. Line and SHB to work off in the final. Uh, okay, I think we should get Line and SHB into a meet. What for? Can we have a camera under your desk for your final videos? Uh, that's not the unk. Raw ولا سماك داون. Okay, okay. الله يسامحكم والله. توبوا إلى الله ولا يرجعوا إلى الله. Okay. The line is still first. Uh, what for? You must be a black hole because I can't escape your pull no matter how hard I try. Are you made of antimatter? Nice, nice. Okay, next. When a south pole is brought next to a south pole, what happens? Okay, I think everybody should get this. Okay, this one I'm not gonna explain it. Moving on. We still have the line as first. Next question. Fill in the blank. What is the period here? Okay, here many people put 6. Why did people put 6? And to be honest, I did put 6 in the exam. But the answer is 8 because it goes. This is one wavelength, one complete oscillation. The distance from the 0 to the other 0. So that's 8. This is not a full wave. If you go to the 6 over here, this is not a full wave. How is this a full wave? It needs to go back down, right? If you're starting at 0, you should end as well at 0. Alright? Next. I asked a Frenchman if we play video games. He said we. Nice. I'm not in exam. There's no room for mistakes. Okay. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. No, it wasn't. I'm not. Don't speak about. Okay. TXT gaming. Can I go on your sister's South Pole? Okay. Okay. Next. 2 questions left. 2 questions left. Stop up. Okay. Type. Everybody put step up. I think this is very easy. Next. This is the final question. So the winner of this question will win the whole thing. Okay. Yalla. If you win, you know, never mind. I won't say that. Okay. Next. Last question. Okay. Fill in the blank. So this is a very very easy question to end the Kahoot. Personally, I really enjoyed this. Well, it's funny reading this chat. It's nice to see what my fan base looks like. Um, okay. No, I'm gonna be traveling when global tournament is on. Global tournament. Yeah. Okay. So obviously the answer is 1.0. To do this, you use obviously V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. Since they half the temperature, the volume will therefore be half. So half of 2 is just 1. So let's take a look at third place. We have Hamas. Okay, good job. Second place is SHB, and first place is the Lion. Okay. Okay. 4 and 5 are Jamil and Mo. Let's take a look at the full leaderboard. Um, okay, can I see the full leaderboard? Okay, let's see. So I want to see the summary. Oh, okay. خلاص, I think we're done. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Okay. There's nothing left for me to do. I will be sending this file on the grade 11 files group, including all of these questions. If you want, join meet.google.com/viavinyurin if you okay. See you there.